Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. I am Gourav Gupta and I welcome all of you to this next session of Last Lap to CUET 2022, wherein this is part number 4 for General Mental Ability Decoded. Now the students who can hear me, please quickly confirm if I am clearly visible and audible to all of you. Now we'll be beginning this session very shortly. Once I'll get a confirmation that I'm clearly visible and audible. All right. So as I can see that, yes, the reception is absolutely fine. So now friends, let's begin with this session. So I once again welcome all of you to the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. And this is the series of session that we all are conducting for all of you for the examination CUET, which is going to happen in some days time. Now this series is the last lap to CUET, and today we are going to take on General Mental Ability Decoded part number 4. Now we can say that this particular section has a good weightage, and in the previous sessions we have already seen a lot of questions on general mental ability. So today I have basically devised a new set of questions for all of you. So the questions will not be focusing on a particular topic. So I have selected 4-5 topics, and from which I have taken these questions. All right. So let's quickly begin with this session, all of us together. Now, one thing I must tell you that you can take this particular session as a set of revision questions. Okay. Now, I'm hoping that most of you must have finished your syllabus. You must have done all these topics at least once. So you can take this session as a set of revision session, and like obviously I'm expecting a good piece of response from all of you. So we'll be solving all these questions together in this class. Akansha, good evening, a very good evening to you. So we'll be solving all these questions together. So I'll be displaying the questions one by one. We'll be giving you some time to solve these questions, and then after getting a good piece of response from all of you, Vibhor, good evening. So after getting response from all of you, I'll be having a proper discussion on that particular question if it is required. All right. So let's have a look at the first question. So first question on your screen now. Now question says that in the following question, different letters stands for various symbols as indicated below. Okay, so letters are basically they are indicating different set of arithmetic operators. So R corresponds to addition, S is subtraction, T multiplication, U division, V is equal to, W is greater than, and X is less than. All right, so these are the symbols that are basically attached with these alphabets. Now, one out of the 4 alternatives given. Okay, so out of the 4 alternatives given, one of them is correct according to the above letter symbols. So you will have to identify the correct one out of these 4 alternatives. I'll give you 1 minute. And you have to pick the symbols from the above definitions for these arithmetic operators, apply them in the statements, apply them in the expressions that are given in the options, and one out of these 4 alternatives is correct. So you will have to identify which of these alternatives, which of these expressions is correct. Any answer? The thing is, in this type of questions, you'll have to check for these options one by one. So सारे के सारे options को एक एक करके check करना पड़ेगा. All right. So let's start with the discussion. Okay. Meanwhile, you all are solving and getting me an answer for this. Now I start checking the first expression. So I'll be replacing all these alphabets with the given arithmetic operators. So first expression 16, T is multiplication multiplied by 2, R is addition plus 4. So T is multiplication, R is addition. Okay, 4 आ गया. Then U is division. So divided by 6, cross is less than 8. All right. So let's simplify the left hand side of this. So 16 into 2 is 32. Now 32 में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ add कर रहे हैं. So 32, when something is added to 32, it will be greater than 32. Definitely it will not be less than 8. Okay, so there is no need to completely simplify for this. Okay, so 16 into 2 is 32. 32 plus something will definitely be greater than 8. So the first option is incorrect. Okay, now let's move on to the second option. 16, U is division, divided by 2, plus 4, S is subtraction, minus 6, W is greater, so greater than 8. Now 16 upon 2, first of all I'll simplify this part. 16 upon 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 is not greater than 8. So again second option will be eliminated. Okay. Now let's move on to the third. 16 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 6 plus 8. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. So on the left hand side I have 14. On the right hand side I again have 14. So 16 plus 8 is also 14. So I can say that option C will be correct. So the correct answer for this question will be option C. Alright, fine. I hope you all have understood the way of solving these type of questions. We have no other alternative but to go by the options. So we'll have to check these options one by one and then find out the correct alternative. Let's move on to the next question. The correct answer for this one was option C. Question number 2 on your screen now. Now question number 2 is based on statement conclusion. So in these questions, in the question that is given below, relationship between different elements are shown in the statement. So whatever is given in the statement, you have to consider it true. And then out of like whatever you have derived from this statement, you will have to find out which of the two conclusions follows the given statement. And you will have to mark your answers in this manner. So this is the entire question. The statement is given followed by two conclusions. Looking at the options, you'll have to select which of these conclusion is correct. Yes, any answers? All right, so let's look at this one. Now, using the given statement, what I can do is I can simplify these relations which are given. Okay, so Abhinav, you're saying option A, Vibhor, you're saying option D. Check karte hain. So A is greater than L. L and T are equal. Now T is less than R. T is less than R and R is less than H and H is greater than K. These are the relations that are given to us. Okay, तो मैंने क्या किया, थोड़ा सा separately लिख लिया है, right? Now first conclusion is R is greater than L. Okay, R is greater than L. Now I can see that L and T both are equal. L and T both are equal. Okay, so here instead of T I can replace it by L. So H is greater than R and R in turn is greater than L. Alright, so I can say that H is certainly greater than L. H जो है L से definitely greater होगा. So conclusion 1 will definitely be true. Conclusion 1 will be true. Alright. Now let's move towards conclusion 2. Now conclusion 2 is K is greater than T. Now we have to establish a relationship between K and T. Now both K and T are less than H. Now both of them are less than H, but we don't have any certain relation between K and T. So K can be greater than T, K can be less than T, or they both may be equal. Okay, fine. So I can say that conclusion 2 may or may not be true. So the correct answer for this question will definitely be option A. That is only conclusion 1 will follow. So option A is the correct answer. Only conclusion 1 will follow. And Abhinav, your answer is absolutely correct. Good. Vibhor, am I clear about the explanation? I hope you have understood what mistake you have committed. Okay. Now let's go to the next question, question number 3, and this time be a little more careful, all of you. Now this question is based on calendars, a very, very, very easy question on calendars. I'm expecting a correct answer from all of you in less than 30 seconds. All right, Akansha, good. Vibhor, nice. Question number 3. Now a very basic question on calendars. So let's have a look at the discussion. So I've already got a lot of answers. So Abhinav ne answer diya hai. Awad has given the answer. So 15th August of a certain year 2017 दिया हुआ है. So 15th of August is given as a Tuesday. All right. Then what day of the week was it on 17th of September of the same year? Right. Now this is the question of calendars, and we just need to find out the total number of odd days or the days we have added in 15th of August to obtain 17th September. ठीक है. अब अगस्त में टोटल 31 डेज होते हैं. Out of these 31 days, 15 days are already elapsed. So the remaining number of days in August is equal to 16. So August के 16 days हो गए, and we have to go up till 17th of September. So number of days of September is 17. So total number of days that have been added to 15th of August is 16 plus 17, that is 33. Okay, so 33 days have been added. अब क्या करना है, 33 को 7 से डिवाइड करो and find out the remainder. Okay, so the remainder in this case, when 33 is divided by 7, will be equal to 5. Okay, now to get the day on 17th of September, you can add 5 to Tuesday. So Tuesday में 5 add कर देते हैं. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the correct answer will be equal to Sunday. Fine, and that is option A. So Abhinav has given a correct answer, and the students who have given a different answer, hope that they have understood their mistake. Okay, fine. With this, let's move on to the next question, question number 4. In which of the following expressions will the expression P greater than S may be false? Now it is very important to understand this question properly. Up 5 options given hai. There are 5 expressions which are given in these options. Now we have to find out in which of these options the expression P greater than S may be false. Okay, so that means out of these 5 options, in the 4 options, P greater than S will definitely be true. 4 options ऐसे होंगे जहां पे P greater than S will definitely be true. You have to find out that option in which P greater than S may be false. Okay, so I hope you have understood what we have to do in this case. So quickly get me an answer, get me a correct answer for this. All right, already getting the answers. Nice, good. Okay, chalo check karte hain. So we'll check all these expressions one by one. So I know that there are 4 of these expressions in which P greater than S, ये definitely true होगा. So first expression, P is greater than Q, Q is greater than equal to R, and R is equal to S. So even if all three of them are equal, even if they are equal, then certainly since P is greater than Q, so P will definitely be greater than S. So option A will not be the correct answer because in option A, P is greater than S. This is definitely true. Okay. Option B is similar to option A. So P is greater than Q, and even if these three are equal, since P is greater than Q, it will also be greater than S, and hence option B will not be correct. Option C, looking at this, P is certainly greater than Q, and even if Q and S are equal, P will be greater than S. So option C is also incorrect. Simple chal raha hai abhi tak. Now option D, S is greater than Q and P is greater than Q. I can say that S is greater than Q as well as P is greater than Q. Now both of them are greater than Q, but we don't have any certain way of finding a relation between P and S. Now P can be greater or equal or less than S. So I can say that P greater than S, this may be false. So correct answer will be option D, and yes, it is correctly given by Vibhor and Ashwani. Good guys. So correct answer in this case is option D. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is again based on coded expressions. A stands for plus, B stands for minus, C stands for multiplication. Then find the value of the given expression. A question which can be finished in less than 30 seconds. So just simply apply BODMAS and you will get the answer. Alright, so let's start solving this. So it says that 10 is a constant, fine. C stands for multiplication. So 10 multiply 4, it's in bracket. Then A stands for plus, plus 4 multiply 4, and B is minus, minus 6. Now 10 into 4 is 40 plus 16 minus 6. So the correct answer is equal to 50. All right. Correct answer is equal to 50. Wait. What were the options? So yes, correct answer is equal to 50. Is this? Yes, I am getting 50 as the correct answer. Wait, sorry. So in the answers here, it is incorrect. So correct answer should be equal to 50. Okay. So there is a slight error, slight misprint in making the slide. So correct answer is definitely 50. Okay. So all of you are absolutely correct. Vibhor, Abhinav, yes, 50 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Now question number 6 is based on clocks. A tricky question. Now this type of question takes a little bit more time to solve. But once you will understand the logic, these are one of the easiest questions that you can get in the examination. Yes, try this one. The question is, a watch which gains uniformly is 2 minutes slow at noon on Monday and is 4 minutes and 48 seconds fast at 2 p.m. on the following Monday. Okay, so let's say today is Monday. So at 12 noon, today at 12 noon, it is 2 minutes slow, and next Monday at 2 p.m. it is fast by 4 minutes and 48 seconds. So you have to find out during this week at what time the clock showed the correct time. Any answer for this one? Okay, so let's get into the discussion of this question. Now, first of all, we have to see how many hours have been elapsed in total. So we started from 12 noon on Monday and we went up till 2 p.m. the next Monday. All right. So one complete week plus 2 hours. Okay, 12 noon Monday से next 12 noon Monday तक complete 7 days हो जाएंगे. 7 days means 7 into 24 hours plus 2 hours up till 2 p.m. Okay, so 7 into 24 plus 2. This is the total number of hours that have been elapsed. All right. So 7 into 24, 7 into 4 is 28, 8, 2, 168 plus 2, that is 170 hours have been elapsed in total. Okay, first thing. Now, what has happened in these 170 hours? Now, on the first day, the clock was slow by 2 minutes. 2 minute पीछे थी clock. अब वो 4 minute 48 seconds आगे हो गई. So, in this time, the clock has gained a total of 6 minutes 48 seconds. Okay. So 2 minutes पीछे थी, 4 minute 48 seconds आगे हो गई. So earlier it was at -2, now it is at plus 4 minutes 48 seconds. So overall the clock has gained 6 minutes and 48 seconds. So 6 minutes 48 seconds को अगर मैं seconds में convert कर देता हूं तो 360 plus 48, that is 408 seconds. So the clock has gained a total of 408 seconds in a total of 170 hours. I hope you all are clear up till this point. So let me write this particular thing separately. So 408 seconds gain किया है clock ने in a total of 170 hours. Okay. Now on noon Monday, 12 noon Monday, the clock was 2 minutes slow. So 2 minute पीछे थी. Now to make the clock show the correct time, what we should do is we should make the clock gain 2 minutes. So 2 minute पीछे थी, अगर 2 minute gain कर लेती है तो वो correct time show करना शुरू कर देगी. So 408 seconds इसने 170 hours में gain किया था. I want this clock to gain 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes. So 120 seconds will be gained by this clock in 170 divided by 408 multiplied by 120 hours. So in these many hours, the clock will gain a total of 120 seconds and will start showing the correct time. ठीक है, अभी तक समझ में आ रहा है? Right? Now let's do the calculations. So थोड़ा सा cancellation करते हैं. So 170, 17 cancel कर देते हैं. 17, 408 cancel हो जाएगा. So it is 17 into 2 is 34 and 68, that is 4. Fine. So 24 and 120 will get cancelled. So the total number of hours will be 5 into 10, that is 50. So in a total of 50 hours, the clock will be able to gain 120 seconds and the clock will show correct time. So what we'll do is we will now add 50 hours to 12 noon Monday. So 50 hours का मतलब क्या है? 2 complete days plus 2 hours. So 2 complete days plus 2 hours when added to 12 noon Monday, it will be Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday 12 noon हो जाएगा, 2 complete days. And then 2 more hours, so it will be Wednesday 2 p.m. So Wednesday 2 p.m. will be the time at which the clock will show correct time. Simple as that. So though this question is lengthy, definitely lengthy, so we must give this type of questions lower preference as compared to the other questions in which you can take less amount of time to finish them. ठीक है, तो इस टाइप के questions को for the time being छोड़ सकते हो. Fine. And then you can again come back to these questions in the examination if you are left with some time towards the end of the examination. All right. So the correct answer here is option B. That is 2 p.m. on Wednesday. All right. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 7. Now question number 7 is asking you to find out the angle between the hands of a clock when the time is 4:25 a.m. Now, very simple question. You can use a direct formula if you have an idea about that. Yes, a direct formula can be used and you can get the answer for this question in less than 20 seconds. So I'll wait for a few seconds. Let's see how many of you can give me a correct answer. Okay, so let's have a look at the formula that can be used. And the formula that I'm going to use is theta is equal to, now theta is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30h. Now here theta is the angle between the hands which we have to calculate. M is the number of minutes in the time that is given. So m, number of minutes, which is given as 25, and h is the number of hours which is given as 4. Okay, so 25 will be the value of m and 4 will be the value of h. Let's substitute these values. 11 by 2 into m, that is 25, minus 30 into h is equal to 4. So 275 upon 2, 11 into 25 is 275, minus 120. Okay, now 275 upon 2 is 137.5, minus 120, which is 17.5. So 17.5, yes, it will be the correct answer. So Kenza and Akansha, both of you have given a correct answer. So 17.5, 17 and a half degrees is the correct answer. So option C is the one correct answer for this one. Okay. Now quickly moving on to question number 8. A very easy question. Now, which of the following dates fall on the same day of the week in any given month? Which of the following dates will fall on the same day of the week in any given month? Yes, any answer for this one? All right, good. So let's have a look at it. Now 4 and 24, the gap between them is 20. Okay, now we just have to look at those two dates between them. If the number of days is 7 or a multiple of 7, then the day will remain same. So it is just the concept of odd days. So for the day to remain same, the number of odd days should be equal to 0. Fine. Now number of odd days 0 kab hoga? When the number of days that we are adding is exactly a multiple of 7. Now 4 से अगर मैं 24 पे जाता हूं, so I'm adding 20 days. 20 is not a multiple of 7, so definitely the day will not remain same. From 6 to 30, we are adding 24 days. 24 is again not a multiple of 7, so this will not be the answer. Option C, 13 से 27 पे जा रहे हैं, so we are adding a total of 14 days. 14, yes, it is a multiple of 7, so the correct answer should be option C, that is 13 and 27. So these two dates of a particular month will have same day of the week. So 13 and 27, that is option C, will be the correct answer for this question. All right, fine. So friends, that is all from my side for the day. I hope you like this session, and we'll definitely come back with many more sessions like this. You don't forget to join us for the CUET 2022 first impression and detailed analysis in the month of July on the day of the examination. Fine. So on the day of the examination, we'll be there for all of you with the first impression and detailed analysis of CUET 2022. All right. So guys, you can subscribe us and press the bell icon on YouTube follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, join us on Telegram, and download our app from Google Play. And you can watch many more free sessions by downloading our app. We have a lot of free sessions which are conducted live, as well as like you can find a lot of recorded sessions on the application of BYJU'S Exam Prep. All right. So go and subscribe and download our app. Thank you, friends, from my side. I hope you like this session. We'll see you once again. Have a nice day. Good day. Bye bye.